Hello, Unit 4, I had a question in Lesson 6, number 8. Farmer wants to fence an area of 750,000 square meters. So we know our constraint equation. The area, length times width. So 750,000 equals length and width. It's going to be a rectangular field, and it's going to divide it in half, fence parallel to one side. So it means I've got length, width. We want to minimize the cost of fence. So that means we're going to minimize perimeter. Minimize the perimeter. Perimeter, or the amount of fencing this time, there's going to be two lengths. So we've got length on either side, and now I've got 3 W's, so plus 3W. So I need to take that constraint equation and replace with one of them. It doesn't matter which one. Length equals 750,000 over W. There is my constraint equation. Plug it into my optimization equation. So 2 times that, 750, 1, 2, 3, over W, plus 3W. So perimeter would equal, so 750,000, let's double that. So that's 1.5 million. 2, 3, W to the -1 plus 3W. We take the derivative of perimeter with respect to width. So now it's negative 1.5 million, W to the -2. Oops, and the last one will be plus 3. So scroll down here. It's an optimization, so we let that perimeter with respect to width equals 0. 0 equals -1.5 million. I'm going to put that W squared on the bottom where it belongs. So that means we end up with 1.5 million over W squared. Now it's going to equal 3. So now I have 1.5 million. 1, 2, 3 equals 3W squared. Divide both sides by 3. So now I have 500,000 equals W squared. Take the square root of that answer. And W is approximately 707.1 meters. So that's our width. Using that information, we can go back up to our equation. And just scroll up a little bit so I can see it. Length is equal to 750,000 over 707.1. So 750,000 divided by that, I get 1,060.7 meters. So therefore, dimensions are 1,060.7 meters by 707.1. Nice thing with this, you can always check it with your answer to see if you are back to what you needed to have. So we can see when I multiply those together, I get that very, very close to 750,000. So we know we did it correctly. So if you have any questions with that, let me know, and I will help you out as best I can.